Hi. Okay, so I have hit an age where my hair has gotten curly. So you can kind of see all the curl in my hair here. And if I don't blow it dry with a professional grade blow dryer, it ends up frizzy. It's not even like a really cool curl, it's a frizzy curl. So I just got this Rosily blow dryer, and you can see like how long, look at how long this cord is. It goes on forever. So I can reach it all the way across my house. Check that out. It's pretty cool, huh? So it's an Ionic blow dryer, which is super important. And if you take a look, there's a heat on here, and then there's also Ionic on here. So you can change, you can press the button and give it a cool effect here. That's the cool effect. And then you can turn it on a hotter heat, and then that's the button to turn it on, and turn it on higher. So I am gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm so excited to show you these results because I'm telling you, without them, my hair just doesn't look nice. So this makes it nice and shiny, healthy. Again, this is a salon grade CHI quality blow dryer. It's got the negative Ionic, so it's healthier for your hair. So let's give it a go. Oh, you know what else in this box? It's pretty cool. It comes with 2 different attachments that I forgot to put on. So it's got like a thicker one and a smaller, more targeted one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the targeted one on there because I needed a little more targeted to get my hair smooth. So here we go. And I've got it on the hot setting. Okay, so that whole process only took me, and that whole process only took me about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And look at how smooth and silky and shiny my hair looks. A couple pieces out of place back there. Just a brush combs it through, so check that out. Look at that. Nice. Curl is gone. And my hair is quite thick, so it takes a little while. It's very thick in the back, so it does take a little while for me to dry it out. But look at how silky this turns out. I'm so impressed with these Ionic blow dryers because the negative ion really makes your hair healthy and shiny looking and not bland. And I'm telling you, without this hair dryer, it would be frizzy. It would be dull looking if I just let my hair dry on its own. And I didn't put any product on it. I literally just got out of the shower and that's it. Pretty much it. So super smooth, healthy, no frizz. I love this thing. I am a super huge fan. This is the Rosily 2200, and I am officially a giant fan of this blow dryer. Awesome. Super fast hair drying. I can't believe how quick that was. Awesome. And I can get on with my day.